Minexa.ai handles the entire extraction workflow automatically, making it easy to scrape food and grocery data quickly and reliably from any site, including lingue.com.br. Open your target page on lingue.com.br, where you want to scrape food and grocery data. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension to get started. It begins reading the page immediately for you. Click the violet button that says I'm on the right page so Minexa.ai can analyze the structure and detect your food and grocery data list. Every result across all pages will be captured automatically, as Minexa.ai detects navigation and handles pagination without any manual steps. Choose whether you want lightweight list scraping or full extraction, including every detail page for your dataset. Click Continue if your data is fully visible. Advanced mode lets you add clicks or filters before extraction begins for more control. Minexa.ai highlighted the main block that contains your food and organic product data to ensure consistent extraction across every run. All data points are detected and ready, including product names, descriptions, and related food terms for your scraping task. For developers, click the API request button to get stable Python code that you can reuse in any data pipeline. Validate and complete your configuration, then prepare to export food and grocery data effortlessly. Minexa.ai automatically detected the next page button, so navigation is handled seamlessly from start to finish. Your scraping job is ready. Click Complete Setup to save it and start extracting data immediately. Press Run to start your extraction. Minexa.ai supports both batch lists and single-page runs using the same setup. Every column corresponds to a fixed point on the page, so data like product names, translations, and organic food terms never get mixed up, even with thousands of rows. Click Export to save your dataset. The same scraper can be reused anytime to pull fresh data without extra setup. The same scraper works from a single page to millions, with no rebuilding needed, ensuring consistent, accurate data at any scale.